Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know you guys just saw my recent Sephora haul and I wanted to do a review on the newly released Ilia palette. So I'm super excited. This one is the Necessary eyeshadow palette in Warm Nudes. It is so pretty. So I was going to do some swatches for you guys and then do a little try on because this is clean beauty, so I think it is super awesome and it's a new release, so I really wanted to try them. And also I got the Ilia eye brightener. This is new to me. I haven't tried it yet. It is their primer, eye primer and brightener. So I'm going to see how it works with the eyeshadows. All I have on is my face makeup. I don't have on any brows or mascara or eyeshadow or primer or anything. So yeah, I'm going to zoom you guys in and we'll get started. First I'm going to go in with this primer and see how it works. Now I don't have on, a little concealer, but this doesn't have any pigment in it, so it looks like if you get this you'll have to set with some really pigmented eyeshadows or put a concealer under it. Okay, it feels really good. It feels kind of like a silicone primer, not like the Urban Decay one. I'm trying to think. Actually, yeah, it feels like the Urban Decay one that isn't doesn't have any pigment in it. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right into trying on the shadows. I'm gonna go in with the shade Grace in my crease, and I'm just gonna use a little mirror from the quad. So already the shadows seem to be super blendable. A little bit of kickback, but that's normal, especially with a clean beauty palette. But next I'm going to go into the shade Unite and deepen up the crease further with the same brush. I'm using the Zoeva 228 Luxe crease brush. So first thoughts are, again, these shadows blend super well. I think I'm gonna, I decided I wanted to do like a bronzy look because I've been doing like really light looks lately, so I wanted to do something a bit more dramatic. So the next thing I'm gonna do is go in with the shade 1979 all over my lid and see what that looks like, because it's the first shimmer shade that we're gonna use. And typically with shimmer shades I use a like MAC Fix Plus or something just to spritz on there. That's a lot of pigment, so I'm gonna see how it goes without any spray. That is so pigmented. I'm actually surprised. Clean beauty never really works out this good for me. That is so pretty. I'm going to deepen up the outer corner of my eyes with the shade Hunter. I'm going to go back in with the shade Grace just to kind of blend everything out a little bit more. And I'm really kind of drawing the eyeshadows out to give me sort of like the cat eye effect, which I think is super pretty for my eye shape in particular. So if you have a similar eye shape, that might work for you as a technique. Alright, so now I'm going to go under the lash line and smoke it out a little bit. I think I'm just going to use a mix of all of the matte shades. So this one, and this one. I'm probably not going to be using the red in this tutorial. Alright, that's looking really good. Now what I'm going to do is start highlighting. Actually, I can just use the same brush. I'm going to just like wipe it off a little bit. I'm going to go in with the shade Cocoon. It's a weird name. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the look I'm going for. I'm going to go do my brows and my mascara off camera, and then I'll give you my final review of this palette. Alright guys, so for my final thoughts on this palette, I really love it. All of the shadows are super blendable, they're not patchy, super creamy. I think you can make a couple different really pretty looks with this, and this is definitely like an essentials palette. It has all the matte colors you need and all of the shimmer colors you need to really create a diverse like amount of looks, and it's really good for the summer right now because they just put it out, but it's also going to be great for the fall. So I am super impressed with this palette. I definitely think everybody should have this in their clean beauty collection. I'm definitely going to get a ton of use out of this, plus it comes with a really nice mirror. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and the review, and I'll be back for more. Don't forget to comment and like and subscribe. Alright, bye guys!